2013 Ram 1500 5.7 liter HEMI. What is it, guys? Anyone? Nope. Okay. Anyways, catalytic converter right there and right there. And what we did on it is 2 1/4 true dual straight pipes all the way back. And we're still going, still going, still going. Okay. And then we also deleted the rear resonators and installed 2 5-inch stainless steel exhaust tips. He came all the way down from Georgia for us. So we appreciate you, man. Thank you for being a big fan. We're gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Those tips will be in a link in the description when you need it. And please, guys, if you don't mind, please subscribe. Only about, I'd say, 20% of you are actually subscribed to the channel. Please subscribe, guys. It helps us out a lot. We'd really appreciate it. Woo! What do you think, man? Sound decibels? 119, man! 119, damn! Whoa, that's loud. Alright, go and back it out. There's the idle.